Replacing wiper blades on your 2019-2021 Hyundai Santa Fe ensures clear visibility. Start by preparing the vehicle. Park on a level surface, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake. Lift the wiper arms away from the windshield using the vehicle's wiper control lever. To remove old blades, locate the small tab on the underside where the blade connects to the arm. Pinch this tab to release the lock and slide the blade off the hook. For installation, align the new blade's hook with the arm's hook and snap it into place. Hyundai recommends OEM blades sized at 26 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger side. Finally, lower the arms back onto the windshield. After installing the new wiper blades, test their performance by activating the wipers at various speeds. If the blades don't contact the glass evenly, gently adjust the angle by lifting the arm and repositioning it. Most blades self-level, but minor manual adjustments may be necessary. Ensure the wipers park in the off position after testing. Regularly inspect your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for signs of wear, such as streaking or skipping. Consider upgrading to durable, eco-friendly materials like silicone or graphene-coated blades for longer life and better performance, especially in extreme weather. Keep an eye out for beam-style blades, which reduce wind lift and improve wipe quality. Proper wiper maintenance can prevent visibility-related accidents, so proactive replacement is key.